Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. So we can see that ADP, non-farm employment change and unemployment claims coming later today. So and also followed by ISM service PMI, three very important news coming. We can expect significant volatility starting from today till the end of tomorrow's New York session. So we can expect all those instruments to become volatile, including gold. So we will be looking at now euro dollar and British pound US dollar to see how we can expect trading opportunity in this session as well as in the upcoming session. First of all, let's quickly look at monthly chart to see. Starting with the euro dollar, we can see that this instrument is in a bull market. We have seen that there's a monthly bullish candle formation, and that monthly bullish candle has a complete breakout from this structure here with a long wick at the top, so which is in fact a potential that euro dollar may continue to rise to the upside, as we have seen long consolidation breakout with a pullback. So this long wick represents a breakout and then pullback, expecting euro dollar to remain bullish to create a new higher high. Dropping down to the weekly to see how the price is doing, we can see that from the weekly, this is a typical bullish market structure, breakout from the structure, pullback, and we have seen another bounce with this red candle. Also, we have seen that pullback. As this market again bouncing back to the upside, we might see that now the price could try to retest this 1.1276 level. Therefore, we can expect lower time frame bullish price action on euro dollar. Dropping down to the daily to see how it is doing, we can see a little more clearer picture on the daily time frame. We can see that there is a daily support here, and from that support the price initially has broken below from that structure to the support, and currently the price again bouncing back to the upside. If we look at this zone here, we have seen that with that drop, the bulls tried to bounce, but instead couldn't do it. Again, the bears tried to break that low, and we saw long wick candle. So this up and down consolidation, in fact, has given a momentum on euro dollar, as this is an important level of support, and it couldn't break. Instead, has got a rejection. Means that we might see now the price is going back to this resistance where there is a high liquidity. Therefore, we can expect euro dollar to travel back to the resistance line for long-term perspective. If we look at the intraday, we can see that there is a break of a structure. So this is a local bearish structure that we have seen on euro dollar, and with this bounce, it has broken out 3 dodges pullback. We have seen another bounce. As if we look at the daily, this is also the daily support, and it may come down with the news for another retest or liquidity grab. What I think that euro dollar may break below before bouncing back to the upside, and this is an important support. If we look at the 4-hour candle, this green candle is a standalone candle, and when the price create this kind of structure, in most cases we could see another break below to fill that imbalance here, and this is where I will be waiting. I would like to see that euro dollar in fact has broken below this green candle where there is a high liquidity, as well as the 10 and 20 EMA. If the price drop below in this imbalance, we will be looking for entry opportunity for this potential bounce, and I think that in the first move we can expect it to go back to this resistance line above this red candle. So we will keep our first target to that level, and most likely we can hold it for the full move if we see that euro dollar has given us that potential price action for further movement. Dropping down to the GBPUSD, we can see that GBPUSD has formed a similar kind of price action. If we look at, this is the 4-hour, and as euro dollar and GBPUSD are similar kind of price action, we will not be going to go in detail on the monthly and weekly. Now from the 4-hour, we can see previous session GBPUSD has formed a liquidity candle, so which in fact given a support, as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, as we are expecting euro dollar to break below this support level on GBPUSD. Also, what I think that the market may drop back to that support as there is an imbalance, and this is what I will be waiting on GBPUSD as well, for the market to break below, to retest this previous resistance here, and also resistance here, which is turning support, and to have a potential rejection. So as soon as we will find suitable entry for this potential bounce to the upside on GBPUSD, we'll be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this analysis, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.